Hey everyone, Rob here from Infosec Fortress. Today we're breaking down one of the most important terms in AI right now, the large language model, or LLM. You've heard of ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, they're all built on LLMs. But what actually is an LLM under the hood? Let's get into it. At its core, a large language model is a neural network, specifically a type called a transformer, that's been trained on massive datasets of text. We're talking terabytes of books, articles, code, websites, and more. Here's how training works at a high level. The model is given billions of examples where it sees a sequence of words and has to predict the next word. It starts out random, basically guessing. But through a process called backpropagation, it adjusts millions or even billions of internal parameters called weights. Over time, those weights encode patterns, grammar, facts, reasoning structures, even coding syntax. The key insight is that predicting the next word sounds simple, but to do it well, at scale, the model has to develop an internal representation of language, logic, and world knowledge. It's not memorizing sentences, it's learning statistical relationships between concepts. The large in LLM refers to two things: the size of the training data and the number of parameters. GPT-4 is estimated to have over 1 trillion parameters. Claude, Llama, Mistral, they all operate in the billions to trillions range. More parameters generally means more capacity to capture nuance, but it also means more compute, more cost, and more potential for things to go wrong. For those of us in technical roles, understanding LLMs matters because they're being integrated everywhere: code assistance, security tools, document analysis, automation. If you're in cybersecurity like me, you need to understand what these models can and can't do. An LLM doesn't know things the way a database does. It generates probabilistic outputs based on patterns. That means it can hallucinate, produce confident-sounding answers that are completely wrong. It has no real-time awareness, unless it's connected to external tools like web search or a RAG system, which we'll cover in another video. So here's the practical takeaway. LLMs are incredibly powerful for drafting, summarizing, coding assistance, and pattern recognition, but they are not a source of truth. Always verify outputs, especially in regulated or security-sensitive environments. Think of an LLM like a very well-read junior analyst. Smart, fast, and useful, but you still need to review their work. That's LLMs in a nutshell. If you found this useful, hit subscribe and drop a comment with what AI term you want me to break down next. I'll see you in the next one.